So recently, YouTube, either through an error or intentionally, took away the ability to easily visit another person's channel from a live stream chat. You used to be able to click on the three dots next to their name and click on go to channel. And that feature went away. Lots of speculation about why. Doesn't really matter why, it's done. But until they fix it or bring it back, thanks to Gary at Daydream About Nice Things, he's found a way around that. So we got, not only do we have that functionality back, but it's actually a little bit better. Check this out. What we figured out, well, what you figured out, Gary, is that we can now go back to being able to click on a person's channel name in a live stream chat and get and be able to go to their channel. So how you did that, can you tell me a little bit about how you figured that out, what you did?
So what we did was, I just heard a rumor that there was a extension out there or some way of doing it. So I just got on YouTube and started searching. And it took a while, believe it or not, and I just kept searching YouTube channels until I found this link. It said enable go to channel, and that's all I did. I went into this channel and or to this video and watched the video, and it was just step by step.
Cool.
And
well, let's walk through. Let's walk through the steps.
Yeah.
Okay, so I think I've already got it up here. So the first thing we had to do was go to the Google Chrome Web Store and either go to the link that's in the description below or just type in go to channel, all one word, and it'll come up. It's the only option there. And then just click on add to Chrome, and a little box will pop up, and you just click on add extension, and you're done. It's just that easy. Now, if you have an Android phone and you'd like to have the same functionality on your Android phone, the page that just opened up, what you see right here in front of you, which says go to channel Chrome extension 1.2, go to his YouTube page. He has a video with another link that'll show you how to add this same functionality to your Android phone. As of right now, we don't know of any extension for an Apple phone. But this works on Chrome on a MacBook, and it works on Chrome on a Chromebook, and it works on Chrome on a PC. So we'll just jump over here to this live, and I just want to see if it'll work without me typing in anything first. I'm waiting for somebody to make a comment after I've joined this chat. And there you go. See, I didn't have to I didn't have to type in a comment. So now we've got this guy here, Gun Guy McGee. So we'll just click on and see it just opens up a new tab, and there's his channel. Of course, he doesn't have any content. That's okay. And that's it. It's just that simple. So now I'll come back here so we can see Gary and me again. So it's real simple. It's free. If you have Chrome set up to automatically update extensions, it will automatically update when new updates do come out for that. So you don't have to worry about that. If you don't have automatically update extensions enabled in your settings, you'll get a notification up in the top there. You'll get a notification that there is an update available. So Gary, I want to thank you for finding this. Number one, it's been a big help to the community to find this. I really appreciate this, and we just both got off a 3-hour live stream where we spent about 2.5 hours talking about this. So that's why we want to throw this together. So if you haven't subscribed to Daydream About Nice Things, go check out his channel. There's a link below and maybe a link up here in the top if I can figure out how to do that. And go check out his channel. He does a live stream, at least during the current situation going on in the world. He's doing a live stream every day at what time, Gary?
10 Eastern, Monday through Saturday, and 2 Eastern on Sunday.
Lots of great content, lots of fun chat.
One thing to add to that, if you are the host, you will need to either open up another YouTube page and mute it to use it as the user would use it, or if you're going to use it as in StreamYard, you'll have to highlight the name and then click on it and then go to channel in the drop down box. But mainly what I do, I just open a separate YouTube page and run a separate YouTube page muted. And so that's how I do it. And then you can use it like the people in the chat. That's just one more thing I want to throw in.
Yep, that's good information. So again, go check out Daydream About Nice Things. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. Drop us a comment below if you got any questions. And also have the link again, like I said, to the maker of this Chrome extension. So go check them out and show them some love as well. So again, as always, we thank you for taking some time out with us today. Hope you enjoyed it, and we hope to see you down the road. Thanks a lot, Gary, again for this extension, and we'll talk to you soon.
Thanks. See you guys.
Bye.